As you very well know that this region of Kerio Valley, starting from this Samburu, all the way to Baringo, Turkana, West Pokot, na Elgeyo Marakwet County, and even up to Laikipia, has been facing very serious security challenges. And as a result of the same, we have lost lives. And part of the security operations are hampered by bad infrastructure. So our responsibility is to make sure that we provide good infrastructure to facilitate not just the farmers, the pastoralists who are in this region to do their work, but to make sure that the security operations in this place is actually facilitated. We know that good infrastructure reduces lawlessness and insecurity, because criminals like operating in areas of darkness and inaccessible areas across the country. Therefore here, on the request of the leaders of this county, led by the governor, the senator who are here, and the members of parliament, who have actually requested that we need to maintain this road by making sure that we put it in a better state than it is at the moment. You know very well that we lost our MCA just the other day because he was ambushed along this road because of the driving speed was low. What we are making as a government to make sure that we upgrade infrastructure is going to aid the work that we are also doing as a government from the Ministry of Interior to make sure that we deal with banditry and deal with the banditry menace. The county commissioner is here, the county security committee, and they have been doing a very good job working together with their bosses in the Ministry of Interior. It's our responsibility therefore on the road sector to make sure that we facilitate security roads. We are here for that very reason.
Thank you Waziri. Tunasema asante kwa serikali kwa sababu tumelia kwa hii wiki tu na sasa tumeona jawabu imefika.